Alright everybody, time for the boil test. Here we go. I'm gonna switch it on now. Oh, that looks nice. It looks really good. That's the true colour of it. Doesn't really flicker in real life. It illuminates the spout as well as the window. But yeah. Right. The next boil, which is required by it, I'm going to time it and tell you. So I'll see you there. And we'll also do a pour test as well. Okay, the first batch of water is boiled. This water I'm not going to use because these two boil cycles are actually for cleaning the kettle. But I will just show you how it pours. And I've been told this kettle does not dribble. I think we can all agree that pours really, really good. You can see that the water is a bit murky, and that's to do with the fact that it does need cleaning. So every 1 cup should bring you down 1 line each. It does, and I will have to make a notice for those who want to buy this kettle that you must have it at least at the minimum mark if you're gonna make at least 1 cup. Even though 0.6 litres is too much for 1 cup, the kettle requires you to do so. Otherwise, you might damage it. Alright, I'll see you with how long it took to boil 1 full kettle, and then we'll end the video there. Okay, so I've got it boiling again, the last batch of water. And as you can see, I synced up the timer perfectly to it. So when this clicks off, I'm going to stop the timer and you'll see exactly how long that kettle takes to boil a full kettle. As you can see, I've got it perfectly filled to the oh, come on, focus. There we go. You can see it, or I hope you can see that it's filled to the maximum. Okay, so it's just clicked off the boil, and it took 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Significantly quicker than the breville curve. So that's a win. So there you go. That's the boil test video and pour test. And I hope you enjoyed the videos of the unboxing and this video. So I'll see you in the next one, which should be a washing machine or dishwasher video.